World-famous fries. World-famous fries are McDonald's signature thin-cut fried potatoes. They are produced entirely through human agricultural and industrial processes. Potatoes provide starch and structure, while vegetable oil provides crispness, and added salt provides flavor. A limitation is rapid quality loss as texture degrades within minutes after frying and reheating reduces appeal. In the United States, McDonald's serves an estimated 9 million pounds of fries per day across over 13,000 locations. They are blanched, frozen, shipped, and fried twice before serving. The exact cut size is standardized to maintain consistent cook time worldwide. Big Mac. Big Mac is a double patty beef sandwich with a layered bun structure. It is a fully human-created food product designed for mass production. Beef patties contribute protein and fat, bread provides carbohydrates, and the sauce adds sugar and acidity. A limitation is high caloric density, averaging about 550 calories per sandwich. Introduced in 1967, it is sold in more than 100 countries and billions have been served globally. The middle bun layer is used to stabilize the structure during assembly. Its recipe is tightly controlled for uniform taste across regions. Chicken McNuggets. Chicken McNuggets are bite-sized pieces of breaded chicken. They are created through human food processing using mechanically separated poultry. Chicken provides protein, batter adds texture, and oil enables frying stability. A limitation is reduced nutritional density compared to whole cuts of chicken. They were introduced in 1983 and are now produced in shapes standardized into 4 designs. In major markets, millions of nuggets are sold daily. Each nugget shape cooks at a slightly different rate by design. Quarter pounder with cheese. Quarter pounder with cheese is a beef burger defined by its heavier single patty. It is built around a precise meat weight that differentiates it from standard burgers. Beef delivers most of the protein and fat, cheese contributes additional fat and salt, and the bun holds heat and moisture. A limitation is higher saturated fat, with total energy exceeding 500 calories per serving. The patty weighs about 113 grams before cooking, giving it a denser texture after grilling. It has been on menus for more than 50 years in multiple international markets. In some countries, the beef is cooked fresh only after the order is placed. McChicken. McChicken is a breaded chicken patty sandwich served as a core value item. It is built around a thin, uniformly processed chicken patty for predictable flavor and texture. Processed chicken forms the patty, the breading controls crispness, and mayonnaise adds moisture and fat balance. A limitation is lower meat density, as the patty contains more coating than whole-cut chicken. One sandwich averages around 400 calories, depending on region. It is sold in dozens of countries and produced in very high daily volumes. The mild seasoning profile is intentionally kept uniform to suit a global audience. Egg McMuffin. Egg McMuffin is a breakfast sandwich centered on a round-cooked egg. It is assembled around a freshly cracked egg cooked on-site in a circular mold. Eggs provide protein, the English muffin supplies carbohydrates, and cheese adds fat and salt. A limitation is limited holding time, as eggs lose firmness and moisture after cooking. One sandwich contains roughly 300 calories. First introduced in 1972, it helped standardize fast food breakfast service. It was one of the first quick-service items to use a freshly cracked egg rather than a liquid mix. Double Cheeseburger. Double Cheeseburger is a compact beef sandwich made with 2 thin patties. It is structured to increase meat content without increasing bun size. Beef patties provide protein and fat, cheese adds dairy fat and salt, and the bun stabilizes the stack. A limitation is higher sodium and saturated fat relative to its size. One sandwich averages about 450 calories. It is sold globally and has remained a staple for decades. The 2-patty format increases surface browning compared to a single thick patty. Apple pie. Apple pie is a handheld pastry dessert filled with cooked apple filling. It is produced as a sealed turnover designed to retain heat and structure during serving. Apples provide the fruit base, the pastry shell provides structure, and sugar controls sweetness and texture. A limitation is high sugar content and a very hot interior immediately after cooking. One pie contains approximately 230 calories. It is sold in multiple regions, with baking or frying methods varying by market. The filling temperature is regulated to prevent the crust from breaking during handling.